Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about approximations. Let y is equal to fx be a function of x and let del x be an increment of x and del y the corresponding increment of y. Increment means that is a small change. So y plus del y equal to f of x plus del x, and this is implies that y plus del y minus y means we subtract y is equal to fx from y plus del y equal to f of x plus del x, and here we get f of x plus del x minus fx. So del y equal to f of x plus del x minus fx, and if we divide by del x on both sides, we get del y by del x equal to f of x plus del x minus fx by del x. And taking limits as limit del x tends to 0, del y by del x is equal to limit del x tends to 0 f of x plus del x minus fx by del x. Dear students, already we know that limit del x tends to 0, del y by del x is denoted by dy by dx, and this is equals to limit del x tends to 0 f of x plus del x minus fx by del x, and already we know that dy by dx equal to f dash x. Therefore limit del x tends to 0 f of x plus del x minus fx by del x equals to f dash x, because dy by dx equal to f dash x. Therefore f of x plus del x minus fx by del x equal to f dash x plus epsilon, where epsilon tends to 0 when del x tends to 0. And this is implies that f of x plus del x minus fx equal to, here we cross multiply, we get f dash x into del x plus epsilon into del x, and this is implies that f of x plus del x minus fx equals to f dash x into del x. Dear students, here epsilon tends to 0 as well as delta x when delta x tends to 0, means these two values are very small, and product of these two values will be very small that we can neglect here. So we can write f dash x into del x approximately. Therefore del y equal to f dash x into del x, because from above del y equal to f x plus del x minus fx. So we have written here del y equal to f dash x into del x. Here you have given already f of x plus del x minus fx is equal to del y. Thus, if del x is an error in x, here del x is an error in x, then the corresponding error in y is del y. The small values del x and del y are called differentials. There are some errors which we will discuss here. First, absolute error, delta x or del x is called an absolute error in x. Second, relative error, del x by x is called the relative error. And third is percentage error, del x by x into 100 is called the percentage error. Now we will discuss about the solution of the questions of exercise 6.4 from NCERT. Question number 1, using differentials find the approximate value of 82 to the power 1 by 4 up to 3 places of decimal. To find the solution, let fx is equal to x to the power 1 by 4. Therefore, f dash x means dy by dx equal to 1 by 4 x to the power 3 by 4. Now, f of x plus del x minus fx equals to f dash x into del x, which we have discussed above, and this is implied that f of x plus del x minus fx equals to here f dash x, here 1 by 4 x to the power 3 by 4 into del x. Dear students, 82 can be written as 81 plus 1, and we suppose that x is equal to 81 and del x equal to 1, and putting in 1 we get f of 81 plus x, here f of x plus del x minus fx minus f of 81, and this is equal to 1 by 4 x to power 3 by 4 into del x. Here 1 by 4 into 81 to the power 3 by 4 into 1, because x is equal to 81 and del x equal to 1. And we solve this, we get this is 1 by 4 into 27, which is equals to 1 by 108. So f of 82 minus f of 81 equals to 1 by 108, and this is implied that f of 82 equals to here f of 81 plus 1 by 108, and here we solve and we find that this is equals to 3.009. Therefore, f of 82 equals to 82 to the power 1 by 4 is 3.009 up to 3 places of decimal. Dear students, f of 82 means f of x is equal to x to the power 1 by 4. Here x is equal to 82. So f of 82 equal to 82 to the power 1 by 4, and the value of this is 3.009. Question number 2. Find the approximate value of f of 2.01 where f of x equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. To find the solution, we have given the function fx equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2, and here first we find f dash x. We get 8x plus 5 from this here, and already we know that f of x plus del x minus fx equals to f dash x into del x, and this is implies that here f of x plus del x minus fx equals to f dash x, here 8x plus 5 into del x. This is taken as 1. Here we put x equal to 2 and del x equal to 0.01 in 1 here, and we get here f of 2.01 minus f of 2 equals to, here we solve this, we get 0.21, and this is implies that f of 2.01 equals to, here 0.21 plus f of 2, and we solve this, we get 28.21. Here we can understand easily here f of 2, here putting the value in f of x. So this is 4 into 4 16, 5 into 2 10 plus 2. Hence f of 2.01 equals to 28.21. One more question, that is question number 6. If the radius of a sphere is measured as 7 meter with an error of 0.02 meter, then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Dear students, suppose that radius of sphere be r and the volume v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and if we find dv by dr, means differentiating this function with respect to r, we get dv by dr equals to 4 pi r square. Here we solve this here, and the value of dv by dr at r equal to 7 here, means putting the value of r is equal to 7 in the value of dv by dr, and we get here this is equals to 196 pi meter cube. Dear students, del r equals to 0.02 meter, here already given an error. So del v equal to dv by dr into del r. Here using this formula, already del y equal to dy by dx into del x. So using this formula we can write del v equal to dv by dr into del r, and this is implies that del v equals to 196 pi here into 0.02. Here del v equal to dv by dr into del r. dv by dr here already given 196 pi meter cube, here means 196 pi here into del r. Del r we have given 0.02, and finally we get this is equals to 3.92 pi meter cube. Therefore the approximate error in calculating its volume is 3.92 pi meter cube. This is the answer. Dear students, assignment is given. Solve remaining questions of exercise 6.4 from NCERT. Thank you.